What's going on, everybody? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, what we're going to be doing is cleaning the townhomes. We originally got this job through the Facebook ads, and the customer wanted just theirs done here in the middle. And then on their call, I told them, hey, it would be cheaper if you could go ahead and get all the different townhomes to kind of pitch in and do everything. So now we're going to be doing all three here. So you guys are going to watch me surface clean these driveways. Now, if you guys need help with your Facebook ad, send me a message here on YouTube, or send me a message on text. Leave a comment down below. Send me a text at 843-888-2371. We're going to go ahead and get into this video and show you guys exactly how we're surfacing. Take care. So guys, Andre had started out of his Jetta. You guys saw the video where I had trained him a little bit, and now look, as soon as we left that, he went out, got some new equipment, and now he's making it happen. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this, guys, and I hope everybody is having a blessed day, and can't wait to show you guys this. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at JohnVietX, and also TikTok at Real John Viet. Let's get into it. What's up, my YouTube family? God bless. I hope everybody's having an amazing day, successful week. Hope everybody's out there pressure washing. I know we're getting into October. Things are kind of slowing down, so I hope all my people up north hunkering down for the winter, taking care of their equipment. And guys, it's been an incredible year. 2021 has been such an amazing year, and I am so thankful for everybody who's been that supporting the channel. So just a big shout out to you guys. We're at about 12,100 subscribers as of today, and I see this channel growing to 30, 50, 100,000 subscribers by next year. I'm going to keep putting out some great content. Hope you guys are enjoying the shorts that I'm doing. So the TikTok style videos where they're 10 to 20 second long videos, and just having some fun with that. Those have been taken off. And I've also had my video with my setup take off as well, about 100,000 views there. So guys, the channel's getting a lot of attention, and it wouldn't be without you guys supporting me to keep me going, and, you know, keeping going, like staying consistent. And so I'm going to try my best to upload every time, once a week. But as you guys know, I help a lot of people with the Facebook ads, and that keeps me in my office a lot, and I've got several crews running around. Today's video I got with my buddy Andre. He helps me out. He brings out his equipment, and we do some fun videos for you guys for YouTube and also TikTok. So that's kind of, you know, how he helps me out there. But, you know, I let my crew run, let everything go well there. Our pressure washing business has been taking off. I recently, if you guys don't know who I am, I moved from Houston, Texas, and then now things have just been absolutely insane. So, yeah, it's been a lot keeping up with that, but my primary focus is helping you guys out, growing your business, helping you with the Facebook ads. So first off, if you guys aren't in the Facebook group, this was a live video that I had recorded there. It's called Pressure Wash Community. It'll be linked down below, facebook.com/pressure wash community. It's actually facebook.com/groups/pressure wash community. So check that out there. Also, please follow me on Instagram at JohnVietX. Just want to kind of stay up to date with you guys there. You can see all of my videos and recommendations, you know, kind of my daily life there on Instagram, all my testimonials, and just, you know, anything that I have to share on Instagram. So coming up on 1,000 people. I just started that Instagram. TikTok has about 36,000, so go follow there. Got a great following there. So what we are doing is, if you guys are brand new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and share, and also subscribe. But basically what we're doing is, let me tell you how we clean our driveways. So the first thing that we do is we go ahead and we pre-treat our concrete. So this is a pull shock that we use. We get this from Pinch a Penny. Now, each area that you live in, let's say you're up north or you're on the West Coast, you might have to find your local supplier. But if you're here in Florida or Texas, you can go to your local Pinch a Penny or try a pressure washing store. They have that as well. This is just pool bleach. So if you have a lot of pools in your area, then you should have a pool store. So you just want to go to your local pool store and get some pool bleach, and we use that with our surfactant. So we also put some soap in there, and you can see that comes right up and cleans up real nice. Look how good that looks. Now I'm just rinsing with the ball valve, which I also sell at pressurecleanstore.com. So make sure you get one of those. I also have the J-rods in stock. Have a ton of orders I'm going to be getting out here shortly. So if you guys need a ball valve, J-rod, also I've got a turbo nozzle, and I'll be adding some more pressure washing equipment there as well as we grow the store, getting some people in place there to kind of manage everything, fulfill orders, so on and so forth. Also, in the description, if you guys are wanting to get equipment, I have all my Amazon stuff there. So where to get that directly from Amazon. I like Amazon because they have free returns. That's typically where I order all my stuff from. So that is a benefit there. So if your pressure washer isn't working, or something happens to where you don't like it, you can easily contact them directly and return everything. You see there, we're putting down our SH. So what we do is first we lay down our SH. Then we use a tool called a surface cleaner, which you'll see linked in the description. That's the BE Whirlaway 20-inch. It works well with a 4 gallons per minute machine. So it just depends. I wouldn't recommend this for anybody under a 4 gallon per minute. If you have a 2.5 gallon, you want to go to the like an 18-inch or a 16-inch would be okay. I think that would be a good place to start. But yeah, this driveway wasn't really that dirty. You can see here that it comes up real nice. So what happened is the customer called me, said, "John, I need you to clean my townhome." And I said, "Okay, great. We can take care of that." So then as we kept going, I said, "You know what? It would be easier. I'm looking here. It would be awkward if we just did yours in the middle. So how about you get your neighbors on board and, do that?" And got this job through my Facebook ads like I told you guys. So literally one job turned into 3, and definitely wanted to get this cool video footage for you guys. I like to take these opportunities to step out of the office and get some unique content for you guys. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share. And I've got another video coming for you guys soon. Tomorrow we'll be cleaning a pool deck. So I'll be, pool deck, pool cage. So I'll be recording that as well. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for all the support. I'm truly grateful, and hope everybody enjoys this video and learns some, some tips. So take care. Thanks for watching.